today's video, I'll demonstrate how to earn $320 by listening to songs, which is one of the simplest ways to earn money online. Consider this. How awesome would it be if you could get paid simply by listening to music on your phone or computer? This brand new technique is available all around the world, including India, the United States, the Philippines, Nigeria, Pakistan, South Africa, the United Kingdom, and Bangladesh, to name a few examples. With that said, I'd like you to leave a comment below and tell me which country you're from so I'll be able to make unique videos for your region in the future. This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. So today, I'll teach you a step-by-step lesson on how to get paid simply by listening to music like this one, as well as all of these songs right here. Take a look over here. This page lists all of the rates that range from this amount to this amount. As I scroll down, I see pages upon pages of people from all around the world profiting from this new method. Let's see how much money you can make with this strategy. You can earn $320 if you listen to 10 tracks. Likewise, you can earn $640 by listening to 20 tracks or twice the previous one. You can earn $1,600 just listening to 50 tracks. You don't have to invest any money because this is completely free and you can do it on your phone or computer, so it is ideal for beginners. The very first thing you should do is go to mixkit.co. On this website, you can find a variety of stock music that you may download for free and sell while simply listening to it. As you can see, there are hundreds of songs available for free to download. Now, I'll give you the first bonus tip, and I want you to pay close attention. Go to mixkit.co's homepage and choose genre. You'll notice different categories of copyright-free songs that you can download and listen to. I'd like you to focus on hip-hop and acoustic music for this video because these are the two most popular genres right now. Let's go on to the next phase after selecting a genre. Next, go to this website, upload-forever.com for the second step. If you're unfamiliar with this website, let me explain what it does. Basically, you can post different things directly to this website, and anyone who downloads your file will pay you using your specified payment option. How cool is that? In a nutshell, to make money with this strategy, go to mixkit.co and search for a music to download for free, then go to upload-forever.com and upload that song directly to this website. You'll be able to make money whenever someone downloads that song from this website, and the amount will actually depend on how much you want it to be, and I'll show you how to set that up in a minute, so stay tuned and keep watching. Now, what I like about this is that they pay in different payment methods. They have PayPal, Payeer, Payoneer, Perfect Money, and if you're into cryptocurrency, you can also receive your payments through any cryptocurrencies you want. With that said, I want you to comment down below and let me know what payment method you prefer, and I'll try to make videos about that as well. Quick tip though, if you have an Android phone right now, go to Google Play Store and search for the app Up-Forever, and then download the app on your phone for absolutely free. Now, I'll walk you through the complete sign-up process. I want you to pay close attention because if you skip this step, it can be a bit tricky. So if you go to uploadforever.com, click on this button right here that says sign up. Here you need to fill out your username, password, and email address, and then select your preferred payment method. Personally, I prefer PayPal, and I'll give out my PayPal email address. After that, check the box that reads I am not a robot, and then click the sign up button right here. Pretty simple. You can just watch this video again if you didn't get it the first time. Now, after you register, you're now able to log in to your new uploadforever.com account. Right here is your very own dashboard. Feel free to explore the dashboard. Now, moving on, what I want you to do is click on this button right here which says Upload Files. That'll take you to this page where you can begin uploading the mixkit.co music you've downloaded. After that, you can begin receiving payment. Now, this is an important step in the process. You should ensure that you do not upload any files that violate their terms of service. So if you want to make money on this website, make sure you follow all of their guidelines. Another helpful tip is if you can't manage to upload on this page, make sure that your ad block is turned off. Moving on, I'll walk you through the steps for uploading the music you downloaded from Mixkit.co to this website. All you have to do now is go to Mixkit.co and search for a nice hip-hop or acoustic song. You can navigate through all of these songs compilations, which are all free to download. You can also listen to a preview of the music you want to download by clicking here. So this is the artist and this is the title of the song. Simply click the download button if you enjoy it. As you can see, you can download it directly to your device. The best part is that downloading does not require you to form an account on this website, so that's a pretty cool thing on their part. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that will be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. Okay, now go back to uploadforever.com after you've finished downloading the song. Click this button right here on your dashboard that reads Upload Files. After that, you'll be taken to this page where you can actually upload the song. The next step is to select the file that you want to upload. In my case, I'll directly upload the song I downloaded earlier. As you can see, they'll display the file size. Another additional tip, make sure your file is set to public mode so users will be able to see and download your files, making you money in the process. For the description, make sure to copy the title of the song and name of the artist. To do so, go back to the first web page, copy the title and artist, then paste it directly into this box. When you're ready, click the Start Upload button and wait for the song to be uploaded to this website. Once your file has been uploaded, simply go back to the home page and click this link which says My Files. This is where you can view the files you've already posted. You can see the file's name as well as its size in this section. Now, since we just uploaded the song, it's still at 0. You can also set the price for the song on this page depending on how much money you want to make. Simply click on this green symbol, which will take you to this page where you can set the price. Then, just type the price you desire. As for me, I'll simply put this price since I think it's enough. Then scroll down below and click the Submit button. That's everything you need to do in order to make money from this website. Always make sure to make your file public so that other people can download it. Then don't forget to set your price so that you can get paid for every download. You can simply repeat the process over and over again so that you can earn more money, and that's it. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you'll start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell. Like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money-making videos, go to the next video which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.